Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is: the length of Mr. Simpson's house is 558 feet. Find the width of his house if it is 178 feet shorter than the length. Here we have given length of Mr. Simpson's house is 558 feet, as width of his house is 178 feet shorter than the length so width of his house is given by 558 less than 178. Now to find this, firstly convert this 558 and 178 into improper fractions. So 558 equals to 8 5s are 40 plus 5 by 8, that is 45 by 8, and 178 is 8 1s are 8 plus 7 by 8, so it is 15 by 8. Hence, width will be 45 by 8 minus 15 by 8. Now 45 minus 15 by 8 is 45 minus 15 means 30. So it is 30 by 8. Now divide numerator and denominator by 2. We get 15 2s are 30 and 4 2s are 8. So it is 15 by 4. Hence, width of Mr. Simpson's house is 15/4 feet. Hence our correct option is option C, which is 15/4 feet.